here's my recommendation. Don't get this DeWalt table saw special at Lowe's. It's model number DW745S. It's only $299, but it only has 33,850 RPM motor in it, so it's way slower than the normal saw, which one is like DW70, I think 80 or something, which has 4,800 RPM motor. Much better deal, and for 70 bucks you should get that one. This is the one that you should get. It's only $79 more, but you get much faster cutting, much better deal. See, 4,800 RPM, much better. Get this one instead.
Don't forget to subscribe to Alder Elite Woodworks YouTube channel.